What's up, guys? This is Mark from Entrepreneur Zone, and I'm extremely tired. We're both extremely tired because last night, both of us stayed up the entire night to finish the Amazon Dropshipping A to Z course on Entrepreneur Zone. So before we get into the video, if you want to join Entrepreneur Zone, get a full Amazon Dropshipping course, get an eBay Dropshipping course, Instagram, Facebook, Shopify course as well for $9.97 before we raise the price to $49.97. Go to the link in the description that says Entrepreneur. Anyway, we record today all the videos for the week, and last night we stayed up all night. But in this video, we're going to talk about what it takes to get to $100 in profit dropshipping on Amazon. This guy's name is Charlie. We're going to launch a channel. Well, he's going to launch a channel called Dropshipping Latino. So all you guys who speak Spanish, go check out the link in the description, go subscribe. You can tell them that in Spanish real quick, so like.
Ok, entonces me presento nuevamente, Charlie. Como Mark lo mencionó, estamos lanzando el canal en español para todos los seguidores latinos. El mismo contenido que tenemos en inglés va a estar para ustedes disponible en español, así que vamos a dejar el link en la descripción, vayan y suscríbanse al canal.
Okay, so Charlie he sells on Amazon. He has an account, he dropships on Amazon. He used to dropship on eBay with me 5-6 years ago. He was there when we built the exchange software and all that stuff, right? What we're going to talk about today is what it takes to make $100 a day. Because Charlie's been managing an account. He hit $105 yesterday in profit, and $100 a day is exactly kind of the basis of what you want to get to make any sort of considerable money online, right? $100 a day, $3,000 a month, just around the typical income of someone in the United States. So, let's talk. How old is the account? It's kind of old, no?
Yeah, it's kind of old, yeah. But I mean, it had more than a month without selling anything. Because we were not listing anything actually.
Right. So let me tell you what one of these accounts is a done for you account that we were selling on before. When COVID happened, I fired a ton of people and I put a ton of accounts on vacation mode, and it took us a month or two to get them back on, and we finally got them back on, and Charlie's managing that account.
Right.
So big up to Eric. If you see eBay on any of the lives, that's who he is. So Eric made $100. That account made $100 yesterday. So how many listens? The account is kind of old, so it's a season account. Do we have OA Genius?
Yes, actually the item was found with OA Genius.
Right, so there's a link to OA Genius in the description. What's the supplier?
Home Depot.
First, no. How many listings you have?
In that account, I only have right now at the moment 20 listings.
Okay, and the $100 you made is from one item?
One single item.
And it's from Home Depot?
Yep.
How many times it sold?
7 times.
So you're making, if you made $105, what? It's $15?
Yeah.
About $15.
$15 profit.
My math not that bad, motherfuckers.
Yeah, it's actually $15 per item in profit. Like
right.
Profit.
And he sold it 7 times. And how many times is that selling on Amazon?
According
to
Jungle Scout, it's selling those 7 times a day.
Okay, so that you can get all of them.
I get in all of them because I bid in the price.
And the account is season, blah blah blah. Okay. And he made $100, and are you all tax exempt in Home Depot?
Yeah, that's the main reason why I got that range of profit, because we're tax exempt, no shipping. So
guys, if you want to join it done for you, part of what we do is go through, set up the corporation, get you tax exempt. We can sell before you get tax exempt, but when you get tax exempt, you get that extra margin, you can compete a lot more.
Yep.
All right, and then how many? So why you? But you need to start listing like 10 items a day.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. But remember that we've been working with the course, and I mean I didn't have that enough time to list, but now that we finished that course, yes, I'll put up all my time on it.
Yeah, and the problem is Charlie manages an account, and Eric, if you're watching this, you know he manages an account. He's doing this
Dropshipping Latino.
Dropshipping in Spanish YouTube channel. And he is the quality control manager now. We have a meeting this afternoon, and that may change just because of how much things he's doing. But let's see how it goes. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, like my video. I'm extremely exhausted. Let me know in the comment section what videos we could do. In the description, check out Entrepreneur Zone, check out Done For You, check out Dropshipping Latino. Peace.